Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. In this video, we will be talking about how we can create Numpy arrays using different functions. So we will be going through some functions like zeros, ones, full, I, and random functions. So I hope you will enjoy the video.
Let us see NumPy functions to create arrays. Now, I'll be telling you some ready-made functions for creating arrays using NumPy. Let us import NumPy, import NumPy as empty. And after importing NumPy, let us now start creating array. So A is equal to np dot zeros, zeros. So np dot zeros, this is a function to create an array with all zeros. So in the bracket, I'll be giving the size of the array. So let me give the shape by writing 2 by 2. And then I will have to print in order to display this array A. And this is what I have done. So you can see that A is equal to np dot zeros. It is creating an array of all the elements as zeros. And I have given the shape inside the brackets np dot zeros, the parenthesis, and I have passed as 2 by 2, and that is a tuple. So I have passed a tuple over there. Similarly, I can create an array b is equal to, which will contain all the values as ones. So np dot ones ones. And inside this again, I have to give a shape of that particular array. So in this particular case, let me give the shape as 1, comma 2, and then let me print and display that what kind of array is being created. So here you can see B is an array of all the ones. You can always modify, like you can change this to 3. So it will be an array of 3 by 2. That means it will have 3 rows and 2 columns. You can see 3 rows are there and 2 columns are there. Now, if you want to create an array with a number of your own choice, that also you can do. So C is equal to, and here I'll be writing np.full full, and inside np.full, these parentheses, I'll have to pass shape. So let's say the shape is 3 by 2 again. And I will have to put a comma and I'll have to put a number. Let's say I want this array to have 5 as a number. So 5 will be filled throughout. And let me show you now. Enter and print this particular array, which is named as C. So you can see that 3 by 2 array is created with all the values as 5. So 5, 5, 5, 5, all the values as 5. So this is how an array can be created with a single value passed and with a shape passed, and that value will be filled throughout that particular shape. Then there is something called as identity matrix. In identity matrix, all the values are 0, and except the diagonal values are 1. Let me show you that. So now B is equal to np dot eye. So identity matrix is created with the help of eye, and I just need to pass a single value. So for example, I can pass 2 over here, and then I can print B, because it will have same number of rows and same number of columns. So you just need to pass a single value. So I passed np.I and 2. Therefore, it became 2 by 2 matrix. If I will pass here 3, it will become a 3 by 3 matrix. And you can see all the values are zeros, but the diagonal, it is basically 1. So 1, 1, 1. The diagonal values are 1, 1, and 1. So that is how an identity matrix gets created. Then you have one more option. If you just want to create a matrix, but you want it with random values, so you can do it with the help of np.random. So np.random. So np.random.random, and then here you can pass the size. So size would be, let's say, 2 by 4 this time. So 2 rows, 4 columns. And then I'll be printing E. So print E, and let's execute this. And here you can see that it has generated some random numbers of the shape which I have passed. So this is how we can create arrays of different elements inserted inside it and with different shapes. Keep watching. We will keep uploading such videos.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, you can write down to us in the comment section below. You can like this video, you can share it with your friends, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.